This is a tutorial about some basic skills in iMovie. In this, you will learn about importing video clips, importing photos, dragging clips to the working space and trimming, adding titles, and also, when you're finished, how to export your movie. To get started, open iMovie and go to File, New Project. You can select what you want to name your project. In this case, I'm going to name it Career. And then you can set which format you want your movie to be, whether you want it to be widescreen, iPhone. It really depends on what you shot your footage with. Then you can hit OK. Now we need to add our video clips. Go to File, and then go down to Import Movies, and select that. From there, you can select where you stored whatever movie clips that you filmed. Since I'm creating a new event, I want to select Create New Event, and then I'm going to label it with something that I will remember. Career works for this project. And then I'm going to select Import. Go ahead and select OK. It will now take several minutes for iMovie to process all of your videos and to import them into a new event. You will now see your movies that you've imported at the bottom of your iMovie panel. And you'll see that they are in a new event called Career, which is what we labeled it. Now that we have videos, let's take a look at how to import photos. Click on the camera icon and you'll see a little drop down. You can decide on the album that you want. It helps if when you're in iPhoto ahead of time, you make an album so that you can easily find your pictures and not have to sort through hundreds of pictures. You'll see that I have an album with all the pictures that I already decided I wanted for my Career Day project. Now, pick your picture, drag it up, and drop it. There it is. You can also select more than one by clicking and dragging or holding Shift to select more than one picture at a time. Drag it up and it's going to add them to your project area. Adding video is just as easy. Select the part of the video that you would like. Don't worry, you can always trim it and change it later. And just drag it up to the top. Now you have your video right after where all of your photos are. To change anything, you can click the little arrow, hit Clip Trimmer, and that will allow you to more specifically trim what you wanted. You can select Done when you're finished with it. You can also do this by just dragging it up at the top in your project window. Going up to Edit and Trim to Selection, or Command B. Now let's take a look at how to crop a photo. Select the Crop button in the top corner of the picture. There are several choices here. You can do Fit, where the entire picture fits. You can do Crop, where you can crop specifically a section of the picture that you want to be seen. Or, for a more interesting effect, you can do the Ken Burns, which allows you to have a start and ending point to add a little bit of movement. Here's the preview of what it looks like by having a starting and ending point. Select Done once you've made your decisions. You can also select the inspector to make some other choices. You can change the duration of your clip, and you can also change to give it different effects. If you click on the Video tab, you can change the lighting, you can change the brightness, the exposure, the color, make a lot of very fine-tuned adjustments to your picture. This also works for video clips as well. Now let's look at adding titles. Click the T button, and then you'll see that you have a lot of choices. I'm going to click Centered, and you're just going to drag it up. If you drag it between a clip, or you can drag it on top of a clip, you'll see that you can edit the text. I can highlight it and then go up to Show Fonts. Here I can select whatever fun font I'd like to make it customized to however I'd like it to look. You can also adjust with the colors. To preview my work so far, I can hover over the beginning and hit the space bar. The video that I've created will start playing. To add a transition effect between pictures or videos, click on the transition button and click on the transition you like and drag it up between the two pictures or clips. It will automatically add it, and when you play it, you will see how it slowly fades into the next clip. When you're ready to export your movie, click on Share and go down to Export using QuickTime. Select the folder you want it to be saved in and name your file. Hit Save, and you're all done.